Aloha and good morning. Here I have Benson. He is one of our wall crew. Wanted to introduce another type of ranger we have out here in the park. So this is Benson.
Hello, my name is Benson Chong. Born and raised here in Kaloko. I've been with the park for about 20 years now. I started off in high school. There was a summer youth training employment program, and I like working outdoors, so I got the job. I started with the maintenance division, did all the trails from here going off to the Honokōhau area. We did all the rock trails. Met Uncle Peter Keka. He was the lead mason for the project at that time. I worked for about 3 months, and then from there back to high school. Graduated from high school. I came back again. There was an 8-month program that the federal had funding for. So I came back, worked with the maintenance crew again for 8 months. Continued on the trails, watching Uncle Peter work, working with the maintenance division. And then from there, went to college for a year and a half. That was the thing to do after high school. Everybody went to college, and I didn't know what I wanted to do. But since everybody went, I just went. I got good grades. I was doing good in school, but for a year and a half, I didn't have anything to pursue. All I know is I was going to school, trying to find what I wanted to do. Nothing came to mind, so I decided I wanted to work. So I started working. Went to a landscaping company for about a year, and then prior to here, because I worked here at the park, the maintenance division supervisor knew I was a good worker. He called up to me and said, "Hey, we have an opening on the wall. If you're interested," I said, "Okay, sounds good. No, I'll try." I came, applied, and then in 2001, I came to the park. I worked with RCUH. It's UH Manoa. They funded fundings through them working with the park. So I worked there for 7 years, and then after 7 years, I transferred over to federal with the federal division. So I was on a 4-year, 100% term. I did that for 4 years, and then I laid off. I got laid off a year because I never had any funding. I collected unemployment. The following year, I came back 4 years. I did 2 years of 6 on and 6 off. I went back to another 4-year term, and in 2020, which is right now, they're looking to have my position full-time. So I'm supposedly, hopefully, getting a full-time position. No need to get laid off, no need to take off. So I'll be constantly here, be working. Peter Keka was the lead mason for this project. I learned from Uncle Peter. With the maintenance crew, I watched and learned. My job was just to feed rock, get fills, kind of like watch and learn. Coming here in 2000, his nephew Jay Keka was my supervisor, and Uncle Peter was like the foreman. So through them, I just watched trial and error. I would build a section. Uncle Peter is a man of not many words. If you look at it, if it looks good, he gives you a thumbs up. If not, he'll take it down and tell you try it again. So I tried again. I figured it out. And then working with Jay, Uncle Peter passed on. Jay was next in line. I learned from Jay. And then Jay retired. So I'm the lead mason. On the crew, we have two people. So it's just me and my partner, Kendall Kang. He's not here today, fortunately. He's not feeling well, so it's just me. But being here, you get to see the wall, the height, the width. Is Uncle Peter's vision. I mean, this is how he saw the wall when he was young. He used to throw rocks off the wall when he was a kid. Now getting older, we're putting the rocks back on. So the foundation, everything you see here is pretty much what the Hawaiians had set. Everything is original. Nothing was brought in. Long story short, this place was supposed to be a hotel area that was designated for tourists, but because this wall right here is preserved and it has cultural significance, so we cannot desecrate or take away these rocks or these areas because it's protected. So the Hawaiians give it to the federal park code, and then us workers or employees is just trying to preserve this and kind of show the younger generation of how the Hawaiians live, how they caught their fish. So basically, it's about almost 800 feet long. The height goes from about 2 feet to to the highest is 9 feet high. The width of the wall goes from about 6 feet to about maybe 30 feet wide. It's the largest mass fish pond in all the islands. You have some in Molokai. You have like maybe a mile and a half that goes around, and worked on those ponds. You gotta like put rocks on a boat, walk it out, dump it, set the wall. But it's only maybe like about 5 feet high, and the width is maybe like 3 feet wide. But Kaloko Pond is the biggest, most largest, and I've been here ever since. We have groups come down. We try to have them come down, want to learn. We do functions with school groups. They come down, they want to learn. And if you're interested in the park, there's those programs out there that kids is interested. Can be either maintenance, working on site, laborer, working with rocks, marine biologists. There's a lot of types, but if you can get your hands on, and if you like it, working outdoors, that'll be a footstep in for you folks. And if you like it, and it's on your resume, and when a job opens up, you guys can come work with the park.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I hope that all of you students out there watching this, once this pandemic's over, when you get a chance to come back and visit, you can come check out the Wall crew, come meet Benson in person at the Kendall too, and check out their progress. So thank you so much, Benson.
Hello.
Aloha.